Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the Crosstrek is built to last and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, backup camera, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, front floor mats, aluminum wheels. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.